Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I picked up another case for your Pixel 6. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the 6. This case here is their heavy duty case. If you do any like hiking or off-roading, or you working on construction and you have the Pixel 6, this is the case you want to pick up because it does provide that heavy duty protection that you are looking for. Like I normally do in my reviews, we will make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? We know this case will add bulk to your phone, but can you wireless charge with the case being on it? We'll definitely try that out too. All right, so let's get into it. Nice presentation from them. If you want to pause that, you can definitely read it. Bam, same thing there if you want to pause it and read it there. This is the black case, so it comes in different colors too. It has some troubleshooting tips. Also how to install it. So it does have the little belt clip here. Look at that. With Supcase, bam. Let's see, let's take this bad boy off. It is a two-piece case, so it comes with the screen protector on there. Tells you how to take it off, so you just really just peel it off from the sides here without breaking the case. Maybe it's harder than what it looks. Let's see. All right, so I was able to get it apart. Wasn't too bad. Bam, it does have a kickstand on there too. And it tells you to peel this off. You have one on the inside to peel off. It tells you to peel this off too. What y'all thinking about that plastic? I might actually rip that off. It does have a hole in there too for the cameras. Here's the belt clip, a little brand in there too. This is a nice belt clip. I usually don't use this. I just usually use the case. But if y'all want it on your belt, you can definitely do so. And it's hard to turn too. This thing takes some strength to turn it. Here's the case itself. Little brand in there, UB Pro. It has that extra grip on the sides too. The power button is ridged. Little brand in there. This is a nice looking case. So what I would normally do is rip this off. I probably will because I already have a screen protector on it. So my fingerprint scanner may not work with this one. But how you want to install it, you just put the top in there first. Like so. And then you just start from the bottom of the top. However you feel like it. And just work it around. It's not that hard. It's really not. And if you want to take it off, you start at the corners and reverse the process. But you do want to make sure it's on there. Let's check out the fingerprint scanner. You got to remember I have a tempered glass with this plastic on there, so it may not work. Look at that, it made a liar out of me. So it does work. The one thing I'm noticing is that it does leave like this peeling effect on there. Because it has some air in between the case. Now that could be because I have the screen protector on there. But the bottom lines up. The little part in there lines up good. The microphone is up there. Let's see, the power button works great. The volume rockers are good, nice and clicky, I guess you can call them. Easy to press. Now, do you have to worry about lip action? No, because you already have the screen protector on there. And camera protection, yes, you get camera protection too. This is a nice case though. Does it add much bulk? Yes. It adds bulk to your phone. That's why you get that protection, so you can do crazy stuff like this and not worry about, look, dropping your phone and breaking it. I mean, that's what this case is for. So, look at that. The phone is still fine. Don't get worried. It still works. Now let's check out the kickstand. All right, so the kickstand is there. Works great like that. That would be easy to do. You can watch your favorite Cajun Tech reviewer, or vertically too. Horizontal, or if you want to do vertical, you can do it vertically too. The last question that we always ask, can you wireless charge? Let's take a look. The kickstand is not cheap too, so it's definitely sturdy. Here's my wireless charger. Let's see. Yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there. That's actually pretty cool. So if you want to pick up this case from Supcase, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon for a really decent price. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.